guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday. I'm taking the McLaren to a different Cars and Coffee event in Roxboro, North Carolina. I've never been there. It's a small town, so it's not a big event like the one we usually go to in Morrisville. But I think it's gonna be fun. Different cars that I've never seen because people don't necessarily travel south to Morrisville. So we're gonna go up north. It's gonna take us about an hour. I'm gonna pick up my friend Jeff and head on that way, and let's see how it goes. El Camino. So cool to see one of these on the road. Some very interesting cars showing up. Look at this Stingray. Jeff, you want one of those? Yeah, you're on video. You can actually...
I'll take one of those. I like the color. Yeah. I love the color.
What do you think that engine is?
350. Look at the...
oh, is it the 350?
There's a whole rundown.
All right. Very cool. I mean, it's in great condition.
Beautiful.
The chrome is perfect. Love it. Look at the Buick Riata. You don't see these cars on the road. There's a story to this car. I think, was it designed by Pininfarina or some Italian designer? I'm not sure. If you know, you can comment down below. I think there's a story to it, yeah. That, wow. 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 Wow.
That's a big block.
Wow. This is in show condition.
Oh yeah.
Man. I could have this in the garage.
Beautiful. That is beautiful.
Wow. Super cool. It's all original. Nice. Have you done anything to the car?
Yeah, it's full bolt on.
Yeah.
Makes about 700 horsepower and
Wow.
10.6 in the quarter.
Wow.
133, but it's my daily driver, so I can't get too crazy with
It's a good daily.
it. Yeah, it is.
Beautiful. Woo. Very cool. All right, look at the vintage pickup truck, the heartbeat of America. That's super cool. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, and then we got this classic, either Camaro or Firebird, but yeah, great condition too. Nice, very nice. Fox body. Always a fan. Wow. This is a restoration, man. Look at that. You can eat in there. Amazing. It's too cool.
3 miles from my house. I climb out of a tree, I call the guy, and I'm like, hey, do you really have this truck, and does it look like this?
Look at
Yeah,
that.
does it work? It's got a winter motor, and I don't well. They pulled the hoods in, and all their front fenders, all new restored. And I'm like, hot dang. Alright. Yeah. So
Unless they eat up real bad, a good body man.
we've got
Oh, for those of you pickup truck fans, look at how preserved this one is. I mean, wow. This is the pickup truck I remember when I was a kid. Yeah, so cool. New Ram But yeah, look at this. For the Jeep fans, Jeff. All right, Jeff. Tell me, what car is this? The CJ.
CJ. But a crowbar, you can tell.
What year is it?
70 something.
You sure?
Yeah. Sure?
79?
5 or 7?
CJ 5.
5.
5. There you go.
Speed got a 304 in it.
Oh wow.
All original.
Very cool.
Hard to find a big block.
Yep.
Yeah. Sweet. Another Stingray. Very cool.
Rear wheel drive, man. That's what it's all about.
Nice Mustang. Love the color. Yeah. I've seen this car around. I've seen you around. You have an Instagram.
I love the license plate too, man.
Yeah, farm use. I love it. That's how I recognized it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a Ford car.
You got this down in Marshville?
No, I got this actually. Oddly enough,
Well, you've been to the Cars and Coffee in
I
Marshville?
have several times. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. That's a Ford.
Wow.
All right, you don't see this every day. I'm excited. Wow, 4GT. That's a car. Wow. That's Carlos, my friend. Best sounding car Ford ever made. Here it is. Woo. Wow. Amazing. Wow. I know it's a family show, but you can get excited with this sound. Electric cars. This will never happen, man. This is what it is. This is what it's all about. The anti-Tesla. Wow. Amazing.
Oh, look who's here.
Yeah, I know.
Good. How about yourself?
Wow. Amazing.
What you got power in this thing?
347.
Okay.
Wow. Bernard,
Yeah, you guys definitely
look at this.
right here. This thing right here is absolutely
Wow.
fantastic. Let me know what you guys think.
All right, so Rob is here with the Pista. This turned into a crazy event already. He's coming in. Check this out. Wow, very cool.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, very cool. You don't see that every day. Wow, another one. Look at that
Oh, yeah.
restoration, it's perfect.
2 days from now, she'll be grandmother.
Yeah.
So we're keeping the roads hot going down to Greenville side. That's a good call right there.
49. Look at this.
That's a nice one over there, too.
I mean, the paint is immaculate. This is
The minimal amounts of tire that you can actually put on a rim.
unbelievable.
Look at the tire.
Look at that.
Look at the tire compared to the rim. Look at that.
Yeah. I mean,
That's crazy.
it is.
And he's got the thing slammed in that wheel well.
All right, so here's Rob's Pista in the sun, triple yellow. Unbelievable color. No way to describe it or show it on camera. It's impossible. Yeah. Best car in the area. Beautiful.
We're not even taking up like half of the lot.
That's right.
Yeah.
So
It's not more so cars and coffee. I say a Mooresville.
It's a weekend event. Yeah, I mean, it's out of here. You see all the cops lining.
Like it's gonna be a 2-day event. One day is gonna be just gonna start fun.
Look at this. He is. Rally Sport.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
I love the color, man.
Original, man.
You know what? My dad had a Gran Torino in this color combination.
Wow.
Yeah.
So your dad's been a car guy since...
Remember that? I'm sure you're watching this video. You remember your Gran Torino? Dark green, tan interior. I remember that. It's beautiful. 327 Camaro. It's what?
It's a Biscayne.
Biscayne? Is that the model?
That's what it says on the side.
Chevrolet Biscayne. I wonder what year. Look at this. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. 58. Woo. Very cool. Let's check the engine. Nice. Wow. Look at the condition on this Mustang.
Great car.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
4C70.
That's a beautiful car.
Beautiful.
RT. No word. That is great.
Wow. Nice. Oh, nice.
About time a GTO showed up here.
Great condition, man. It's beautiful. What year is this one?
89.
89. You can't get them now. I mean, one, right?
It has money, yeah.
Yeah. All right, Jeff. Do you like the show today?
Love it. A lot of really cool cars here.
Very
Some
cool.
ones we haven't seen before. A lot of variety.
A lot of variety. I mean, the pickup trucks were insane today.
They're beautiful.
Incredible
Absolutely.
restorations.
A lot of hot
and
rods.
Cars you don't see in the Triangle area.
Absolutely.
No,
Absolutely.
super cool. I think we're gonna be back to this event next month, and watch out for that. And remember to subscribe. Thank you, Jeff, for coming
Thank
along.
you.
And watch out his Jeep. I'm gonna put the link up there of his Jeep restoration video. We're gonna do more work on the Jeep soon.
We got some upgrades coming.
Yeah, that's gonna be cool. So let's check it out. Take care. See you next time. Bye.